Whitney from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and I'm going to show you how to use the Snowman sticker with an IQ positioning on the baby lock Altair. The first thing that I have done is I have chosen my embroidery design, and I've pulled that up on the screen. The next thing I'm going to show you is I have hooped my fabric, and I've also positioned my Snowman sticker where I want to place the center of my embroidery design. The next thing I'm going to do is use my IQ positioning app, and I'm going to take a picture using the advanced mode of my frame. Okay, I've taken a picture with the app, and now I'm going to send it to the machine. Now Altair has prompted me. The image was sent from the mobile app update. And as you can see, my laser beam is almost directly on the Snowman's belly button. If I needed to, it does prompt that I can fine-tune the positioning, but I am really close. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK on that, and I am ready to start my embroidery. You can find the Altair machine at mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com.